What is up, everyone? Crossrope just launched their new Speed Pro LE set. I'm going to show you what you get in here and what you need to know. Let's do this. Alright, what you get with the new Speed Pro LE set is a new set of handles with a brand new LE design on them, and quite frankly, they're my favorite so far. You also get 3 weighted ropes. You get a 1 pound rope, a 1.5 pound rope, and a 2 pound rope. Now, what I want you to know first and foremost is that this is not a beginner set. It is more built for advanced heavy rope users that are wanting to build speed. If you're brand new to Crossrope, I recommend going with the Infinity set lineup, which is their Get Fit bundle or their Get Lean set. That's the best place to start for you. The Speed Pro LE set is the same interchangeable system as the other sets, so if you're not looking to get new handles, you don't have to buy the whole thing. You can just pick up whatever rope weights you want at the discount linked down below. As with all the other heavy ropes that Crossrope offers, this set is going to give you the same challenge that all those do. It's really going to test your upper body, your shoulder stabilization, as well as grip strength to move these ropes faster. So let's take a look at how the Speed Pro LE set differs from that of the Infinity ropes. As you can see here, the coating around the Infinity ropes is thicker, making it a thicker rope than the Speed Pro LE ropes. They have a thicker cable and a thinner coating around them, so they are for indoor use, or you definitely want to have a mat for these because they will wear out faster. But what this slimmer design is, it's more compact and it helps the rope to travel at a much faster speed. So I'm going to go into some demos of me using the Infinity rope at the same weight as the Speed Pro LE rope back to back, so you can see how the performance differs from each one. If you are looking to add some speed to your heavy rope workouts, then look no further than the Speed Pro LE set. If you are new to Crossrope, again, check out the Infinity rope systems. I have my review for them linked right over here. Or if you're just wanting to quit tripping with your rope so much, then I got a video linked right over here for you as well. I will see you in the next video.